Join us in Bali for 7 or 10 days this October, connecting with like-hearted community and local culture. We'll practice daily meditation, Hatha Yoga, and breathwork, pranayama. We'll enjoy local plant-based cuisine and learn the art of Indonesian cooking from a local chef. We'll stay in diverse parts of the island, in the Cultural Wellness Center of Ubud, at a local family-owned boutique hotel. Then we'll travel to the northwest countryside and support coral reef restoration while staying at a luxury retreat villa. We'll wade in the Indian Ocean and stay in a modern Balinese resort, steps from the beach, commune with Mother Nature, and dance freely, embracing your life as art.